Today, we're diving into the world of memory upgrades with the OWC 64GB DDR4 3200MHz ECC Unbuffered UDIMM. This upgrade kit consists of two 32GB modules, designed to bring a significant boost to your workstation or server's performance. What sets this memory apart is its compliance with JEDEC standard specifications, ensuring compatibility and reliability. One of the most appealing aspects of this upgrade is its ease of installation. With just a few simple steps, you can enhance your system's capabilities and experience noticeable improvements in multitasking, data processing, and overall responsiveness. Plus, with a memory speed of 3200 MHz, you can expect smooth and efficient performance across various tasks and applications. But it's not just about speed. Reliability is equally crucial, especially in professional environments. That's where ECC, error-correcting code, technology comes into play. By detecting and correcting memory errors in real time, ECC ensures data integrity and system stability, making this upgrade ideal for demanding workloads and mission-critical applications. I also appreciate the consumer-friendly advanced replacement program and limited lifetime warranty offered by Other World Computing, OWC. It's reassuring to know that you're covered in case of any issues, backed by free tech support to assist you every step of the way. Whether you're a creative professional, IT enthusiast, or business owner looking to optimize your infrastructure, the OWC 64GB DDR4 3200MHz ECC Unbuffered UDIMM is a worthy investment. It's compatible with a wide range of desktops, workstations, and servers, including popular models like PowerEdge, Precision, ProLiant, and more. In conclusion, if you're seeking the best performance and reliability for your system, look no further than the OWC 64GB DDR4 3200MHz ECC Unbuffered UDIMM. Upgrade with confidence and unlock the full potential of your workstation or server today. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.